Okay, so just a quick video update. It's been a couple years since I motovlogged. I stopped motovlogging because I broke my GoPro. I literally just looked over my shoulder. GoPro 4 bumped off my shoulder, shattered all over the freeway, and then I just lost interest. But now I'm back. Got the GoPro 7 and have a setup video coming out. But everybody knows how to set this shit up. But why not draw content just because? So, getting back into motovlogging, I have a couple bikes I want to review, a couple of my friends' bikes. There's a cop, just act normal. Alright, no more brap on the highway. But I'm going to be reviewing some of my friends' bikes. We're doing a couple track days. Cool thing about California, Mexico, is that you pretty much got year-round riding weather. So yeah, I'm gonna be doing track days, just more motovlogging, bike reviews. What else? Give you updates about myself. My bike is still running good. Haven't dumped it. I've been getting a lot of messages like, why haven't you been making reviews? Like, are you good? Did you crash your bike yet? A whole bunch of questions like that. And honestly, it just came down to I didn't have a GoPro. Didn't care to invest into it. But yeah, now I'm back. The bike is running very good. It sounds amazing. You know, buying a leader bike, my opinion still stands that it's all about how, it's all on the wrist, really. If you know how to control yourself, then it's not as dangerous as it seems, but I could see how I could easily kill somebody at the same time. But you could do the same shit on a 300. Try to show off. You got a group of friends you're riding, you're trying to show off on your 300, hit a corner too quick, and guess what? Down you go. Tires are a little cold. My opinion still stands. Does not matter what bike you start on. I think the biggest thing is self-control. Now, would I recommend it? There's the difference from where I started the video to now. I would not exactly recommend it if I didn't know you. Like, if I knew you're like a yeehaw MF, you on some Ric Flair shit while you're riding, I'd probably say a lower CC bike. If you're smart enough to like not let people peer pressure you too much and to take your time, then I would 1000% recommend this bike to you. Because, okay, bitch. Tire's still cold. You know, you cut me off, you're gonna get disciplined. I had to discipline him real quick, hit him on the outside corner. We'll do one more lap. So, I'm gonna be doing motovlogging. I've seen so many accidents. I've seen a couple people die. So I have some stories to tell. Someone, like my best friend, literally just watched somebody die a week and a half ago. Took off his helmet, watched him take his last couple of breaths. Ambulance came, put the tarp over him. He had to take a couple of days off from work. He was truly affected from that. I wasn't there, I was supposed to be. But I think it was just a situation of going too fast for the street. I don't want to make any real judgments. It wasn't there, so I can't say anything. But, man, two wheels is still the way to go. Sketchy as it is, you just gotta accept that people ain't gonna see you. People gonna be stupid. People don't give a shit about people on two wheels. You just gotta accept that life. And you know, you take it for what it is. But motorcycling 2 wheels was the best decision ever. I got a big circle now. We're all connected. We all like the same hobby. I plan on doing a track day, documenting that whole experience. It's definitely the better route to go than the smash on the street. Out here in Mexico's fuck. My visor, the AGV visors are trash, bro. It is windy and it's cold. Not a good combo. But I'm really just checking out the GoPro footage. I got on hyper smooth, 60 frames. Hopefully it looks cool. I'm thinking 30 might be the way to go. But, you know, no longer a new rider. Survived. It's a good feeling. So if you guys want to see more updates from me, subscribe, hit that like button. If you're interested in a bike, honestly, get whatever you want. But if you're smart, whatever you buy, you're gonna take it easy and build into it. That is the whole moral of the story. I'm not saying you can buy a leader bike and not crash. It's so easy to crash this shit. But the same goes for a 300. So, you just gotta take it for what it is. It's a little too cold to be trying to do all this. I'm not even going fast and the bike is still dancing around, but I just wanted to give you guys an update.